Hello friends. In today's podcast we are going to discuss about nutrition. Friends, as we know that for functioning of our body perfectly we need energy. So this energy help us to do works. Similarly, we need food for growth of our bodies and maintenance of our body. And there are also requirement of small chemical ingredients to ensure metabolic process run smoothly in our body. Friends, body of humans are so perfect that they can make almost everything they need from the nutrients that we consumed from a balanced food diet. So friends, our body needs some of the essential nutrients from the diets like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Along with these basic nutrients, there is the requirement of some other nutrients like phytochemicals in fruits and vegetables and fatty acids in some fishes and nutraceuticals like or we say functional foods which can be found generally in probiotics help us to grow well and function our body perfectly. Discuss about essential nutrients that we get from our food. First is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are the primary source for the energy to our body. So in this the body converts the simple or complex sugars starches into the glucose, and this glucose break down in our body to give us energy. Hence, whole grains, fruits, vegetables rich in fiber are considered as healthy source of carbohydrates. Another essential nutrient in our diet is proteins. Friends, proteins are also broken down into amino acids and protein can be used for energy generation. However, the main role of the protein in our body is to build tissues and repair the damaged tissues, and that's why protein is very necessary in our balanced diet. Healthy protein sources include beans, lean meat, dairy, eggs, and other sources which provide good proteins like whey protein or soya protein. Another important essential nutrient is fat. Fats are very rich source of energy and also help in the digestion or absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Friends, our body cannot make essential fatty acids, so we need to consume them from our food. Healthy food fat source are dairy, nuts, fishes, vegetable based oils. Another important essential nutrient in our diet is vitamins. Vitamins are very necessary for our body's metabolic process, especially those which are linked to our body or tissue growth and body or tissues maintenance. Friends, most of the vitamins can't be stored in our body for long time. So we have to intake these vitamins from our balanced diets, and these are very essential because lack of vitamins can lead to deficiency and many diseases. Now, another essential nutrient in our diet is minerals. Minerals generally present in wide variety of foods, and minerals are vital for building bones, hairs, skins, and blood cells. They are also enhance our nervous functions and help to turn food into energy. Deficiency of minerals can cause chronic health problems. So, we need to take minerals from our balanced diet. Another essential nutrient is water. Yes, water. Around 60% of the body is made up of water. This is constantly being lost during digestion, breathing, sweating, urine, and it is critical that water is replenished at regular intervals for good health. Friends, the food we eat generally passes our digestive system where it get broken down and absorbed. Most of our food or nutrients are absorbed in our small intestines and remainings are absorbed from the large intestines. Hence, our body is made from tiny cells and cells are the basic building blocks of our body, and cells main structure is built from amino acids and fatty acids, and every cell is fueled by carbohydrates and other fatty acids. So we have to consume all the nutrients through our balanced diet, and we have to take a healthy balanced diet because the healthy diet provides the body with the right amount of all essential nutrients it needs from a variety of different food sources. This should help us achieve and maintain a healthy body weight, and this also include other chemicals like phytochemicals, nutraceuticals, functional foods from probiotics and other sources. And as we all know, the deficiency of essential nutrients can lead to malfunctions or malnutritions, and about one third portion of the world population is suffer from malnutrition. Friends, malnutrition generally results from the diet that does not contain the right amount of nutrients, and lack of carbohydrates, proteins can lead to major development and growth problems, and deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals can cause specific illness. For example, lack of iron may lead you to anemia, and overnutrition occurs when an oversupply of nutrients cause health problems such as obesity caused by a high calorie diets. So we have to consume balanced diet. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynoteinfo.com. You can also learn science and chemistry from our website www.chemistrynoteinfo.com, and you can also search our book on Amazon, Flipkart or at Google. The name of our book is Interesting Facts About All Elements of Periodic Table, or just simply search the name of author Jitendra Singh Sandhu on Google, Bing, Amazon or Flipkart or Notion Press website. Thank you to listening this podcast. Share this podcast with your friends and family members to understand them the importance of balanced diet.